Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set Power of Hope. This is a free with $120 purchase celebration item. It comes with a embossing folder that is like stone, I think. It's very cool. I will demonstrate that one other day. For today, I am stamping with Memento Tuxedo Black ink on Whisper White regular weight stamping paper. I have also an extra little strip here, and I am putting the sentiment on that little strip. It says, "Today is a day for new beginnings." I'm using my Stampin' Blends markers here. This is Lovely Lipstick, dark and light. I started off with the light, went to the dark, and then back with the light to blend the two together. And anywhere that I felt like it didn't blend so well, I would go back in with my dark or light marker. I'm using Daffodil Delight for these lanterns. So the light goes down first, the lines of the lanterns with Daffodil Delight dark, and then I needed a little bit more oomph, so I ended up using Mango Melody just on the top. For the parasol, I used Pretty Peacock, dark closer to her face, and light around the edges. For her hair, I used Basic Black. And for her skin tone, I used the Ivory marker. I have fussy cut out my little Japanese lady. I assume she's Japanese. It has a definite feel of artistic Japanese in the stamp set. I love it, by the way. I couldn't wait to get my hands on this. Everyone was going for the meerkats, and I was going for this one. All right, I fussy cut out all the lanterns, and now I'm coming in with my Whisper White thick card base Mosaic Madness paper. I think it's about 2.5 inches wide and 5.5 inches tall. And I am adhering just so that I have a little strip. I wanted to make it look like a path. So it's artistic. It's not quite realistic. So here is a little piece of glimmer paper that I happen to have on my desk. I have a couple of them, so you might see them in a couple of projects, but I did want to cover that unsightly seam, and it just added a little bit of bling. So I put my lady on dimensionals and plunked her down there, and then went in and put dimensionals on my lanterns as well. And I almost was trying to make it look like the pathway was lit with lanterns. All right, so this is my little piece of sentiment, and I am actually going to mat that with some mint macaron. That is the same color that is in the designer series paper that I'm using. I'm just cutting that down to size. I've put dimensional adhesive on the back, and I'm trimming it just ever so slightly so that it's perfect, and I will be plunking that right front and center, kind of bottom quarter. Now, I'm doing some finishing touches. Wink of Stella on the lanterns and on her dress, as well as the mint macaron border, which has the sentiment stuck to it. Sometimes if you just go over just that little bit, it just adds ever so slightly the perfect touch. And I also used my fine tip glue pen to add some shine to my little Japanese lady's hair. I had to be careful when folding the card because I didn't want to muss her hair. And that is my card for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.